Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is the update vlog we do every Wednesday. And if you enjoy, subscribe, like, and share, and we will make more of our updates. So, I don't know if you see in the background, but slowly, maturely, I have more paints than this. I am organizing my paint set on this thing, and we have this whole thing will be filled with paints. Letting you know. This is my speed. These are my MPS. I got some Citadels in here. We got a whole bunch of Reaper paints that I need to organize as well. But that's one project that we are trying to get going. All the orcs for the combat patrols are done. We probably won't do another orc painting for a while. Letting you guys know, Christmas is around the corner. So I am 3D printing a lot of stuff for Christmas for the family. We are working on Android 18 right now. Then we'll be working on Perfect Cell. Then Vegeta. After Vegeta, probably do Ada Wong. Then Megatron. And some more stuff as well. And Leon from Resident Evil as well. So we have a lot of printing right now. I might end up buying another 10 bottles of resin because I don't think we have enough resin for a lot of these prints. And I just went through 6 bottles and I have 4 bottles left right now. So gotta buy another 10 for that. It's just these prints are a lot bigger because I have a bigger printer now. I have a 13.9-inch printer, resin printer. So I can make bigger prints. So bigger prints eat up a lot of resin. So due to that fact, so I have to buy more resin to print more stuff for it. But we are going to be working on those. Dicegia 7, I beat the main story. I did do the after log for it. That video will probably be up by another month or two. I'm playing Star Ocean Second Story R. One of my other childhood game that I'm playing uh, from PlayStation 1, the remake, and it looks pretty damn good. So I am playing that right now. That's on the secondary channel. That game's going to probably take a little bit over a month to beat. Just to letting you know, that game will take about 120 to 160 hours to beat. A lot of people may be able to beat it faster than that due to the fact why it takes so long is back then, a lot of the older games, you really need to grind. I mean, you gotta grind, and level up. And there's a lot of mechanics in that game to spend your SP point and your BP points as well. So, letting you guys know right now, you're gonna be a mixture of that and Super Mario RPG. We're getting this weekend. It'll be probably next weekend. I'll be getting that. I'll be playing more of Super Mario RPG and beating that first when it first comes out. Then I'll go back to Star Ocean R. Then I'm gonna finish up Dicegia 7. Letting you guys know. So Super Mario RPG, reason why is that is my first RPG game when I played on my Super Nintendo, and I grew up with the Super Nintendo when I was a kid. So they're making you guys know how old I am. I'm about 34. I'll be 35 in about 6 more months. So I'm old. I'm not in shape. I need to get a haircut for it. Hope everyone had a great Halloween. Uh, all the kids in our neighborhood took all our candies, and it was a good thing. And I did not go back next day to Walmart to get the clearance candy, but it is good. So yeah, we got like 3 bags of candy, and they're all gone. A lot of time we have a lot of remainders of it. We got a lot of kids this year. That's pretty good. Thanksgiving's around the corner. Veterans Day's this weekend. I might not do a video on Veterans Day. I do not know because I'll be going around getting my free meal as a veteran. It's one of the good things. I get discounts and I get free meal on that day. I get 2 free meals in a year. One is Memorial Day, one is Veterans Day. So I'll be taking Veterans Day. I'll be eating at some buffets, and I'll be like, Golden Corral, okay. Oh, barbecue, sure enough. Fucking hamburger place, free alcohol. Yeah, I'll take that too. So that I'll be pretty much doing that this Friday. I believe that's when Veterans Day is, and nothing much going on. So I know there's gonna be a lot of prints, paints that I gotta do. I gotta clean up. I know this has been a mess. I just moved here not that long ago. I gotta clean this whole up. I gotta throw away a lot of the boxes out. Because trash day and recycling will be today when this video will be released. So I gotta take a lot of shit out. I gotta clean a lot of stuff. I gotta bring bookshelves to the old office. I gotta move all the miniatures. There'll be shorts videos for those as well, and updates for those. I hope everyone likes the shorts. Some of them get like a lot of views. Some of them gets very minimum views for it. There are going to be some NSFW type paintings like Android 18. Uh, I don't know how YouTube is going to react to it. Even though it's full clothes, it's mostly risque looking for that. So we'll see. I am going to do some more Warhammer paints after all this is done. Uh, you're probably going to see a lot of figure paintings until like mid of December due to the fact that I got to ship all of this up by mid of December and get everything packed and wrapped up for Christmas next month. It's just around the corner, guys. Just one blink away. It's fucking Christmas. Uh, so it is one of those things. I do have Christmas list. There's a link down from Amazon registry if you guys want to get me something for Christmas. But other than that, trying to work on my printer right now to print proxy cards for Magic Gathering because a lot of the cards now for Magic Gathering is not really worth buying anymore. So I'm trying to get that done as well. And nothing much is really going on, I would say. I hope everyone have a very good, have good time family going traveling for the holidays. You guys stay safe. Um, I got my COVID vaccine. I've been sick for a few days due to that because I am immune compromised. So I am basically trying to be very careful with my health so that nothing really bad happens to me as we go on. Um, what else do we have? We got we have foams we need to cut up. We know we got to make some terrains as well. We have a lot of BIS prints, especially from a lot of figures. So we have a lot of big rocks that failed printed. So I'm gonna shove in a failed Vegeta head into it. And I'm gonna mold some clay around it, making part of the terrain pieces, and just make it look like it was carved out of a statue, like Mount Rushmore or the four Hokage that have been carved in Naruto as well. But other than that, nothing really going on in my mind. Blanks, a lot of STL files. I might go over like if you want to buy some STL files, it's really cheap. Just the file itself, I would say go to Etsy. I might do a video on that. If you guys want to buy really cheap files, like dollars by the end, and I'm thinking about just going to. I just been getting files from Etsy. It's like ridiculously cheap for that. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys next time, guys. Take care. Bye.